family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I installed the spring twist that I made in my previous video.
Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video.
Hi you guys, in today's video we are going to be installing the hair style that you've seen on my thumbnail. So I'm going to start this video by dividing my hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and divide it into tiny braids. I'm actually going to individually install this. I'm going to have to box braid my natural hair. As usual, when you're box braiding your natural hair and these are individual braids, leave a little space between your natural hair and your roots so that the needle and your braid can pass through. You braid it a little loose from the roots. It's actually better to box braid your hair rather than twisting it, or you can start by box braiding it and then you end it with twist. Now that I'm done with this side, I'm going to repeat the process with this other side of my hair. And my hair is really long today. I'm going to be working with the braids I made in my previous video. This one's here. This is one of the braids. I have this hole here. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my crochet needle to my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my crochet braid to my needle hook. To that hole, I'll close the latch and then I'll drag the hair through to the other side like this. So this is the reason why I was saying you have to leave a little space in between your roots. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the end of my hair to my crochet needle again. Close the latch again, and then I'll drag the hair through to the other side again. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pull my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and hide my natural hair to the crochet braid inside it. I'm going to add my needle to my crochet braid going upwards. After getting here at the top, now I'm going to go ahead and add my natural hair braid to the crochet needle hook again. I'll close the latch and then I'll drag my natural hair through the crochet braid like this. I'll pull it from here. Now I'll straighten it like this. Now you see my hair is still left from here. I'm going to have to hide it all in. Add my hair to the hook, close the latch, drag it through again. Now you see my hair is hidden in. I'll add my crochet needle to my natural hair from below my roots, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my crochet braid to the crochet needle hook. Close the latch. I'll drag my crochet braid through to the other side. I'm now going to go ahead and add my end of my crochet braid to my crochet needle again to the hook. Close the latch, drag it through that hole, and then I'll pull the ends of my hair through to the other side. I'll pull it up to tighten it. Now I'm going to go ahead and hide my natural hair braid inside the crochet braid. So I'm going to add my crochet needle to my crochet braid coming upwards. Okay, when I get to the top, I'm going to go ahead and now add my natural hair to the crochet needle hook again. I'll close the latch and then I'll drag it through slowly through the crochet braid. Now I'm going to smoothen my hair out. Now that I'm done with my hair, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges. As usual, I'm going to use this nice and lovely clear gel. I have these hair clips here, this silver color here. I'm going to go ahead and add them to my braids. This is the length of this hair. Those are the curly hairs that I did. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Check out how I made these braids. It's up on my channel. I'm going to link it down below. Check out my food channel. It's called Beyond Aroma of Kenya. If you're new here, Mangugo Sharon. Thanks for watching again and see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.